Hey guys, welcome back to another video for this 9-inch smart screen. So this is going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. So let's get into it and let me show you what it comes with and how easy it is to set up and to work with your phone. So when you open it up, you can see the screen right here. It comes nice and protected. So here's the screen, 9-inch. How the bottom looks. The side has your power on and off button right here. This is how the back looks. You have your brackets, so you could attach it right there. Right here is your input, your USB-C, AV in for your rear camera, TF card reader, and your auxiliary plug. Here brings this mount. If you want to attach this to your dash, it's sticky right here. Here's your windshield mount. Attach it to your windshield. And here's your power plug. So it plugs into the cigarette lighter to the USB-C port. Here's another mount if you just want to put this small little piece so you can attach the window mount there. Here's a plastic piece to insert this to hide your wires, your 3.5 millimeter plugs, and another thing to put it to another car. So let me show you how to set it up in the car. So I just attached this mounting bracket right here to the back. And then if I want to permanently attach it, I just peel off this white sticker and then I permanently attach it. I'm just going to leave it portable so I can move it around. So when I plugged in my USB-C cord, power cord here, and then turn it on, there's the power button. So when it first turns on, it has this screensaver here. The screen turns on very quickly. So you have your different options. You have your Bluetooth audio right here, CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, SuperLink, Bluetooth music, or audio output. If you want to use the CarPlay and Android Auto, all you do is just follow the instructions to set up Android Auto. So I'm going to show you the SuperLink app right here. So what you first have to do is download the EveLink app on your phone, which is right here. And then you're going to add the connection. And then it's going to find the device EveLink right here. You're going to click on it. And once it's connected, you press start now. And now you can see how my phone is being mirrored onto the screen. So you can play games, watch YouTube videos. Anything that you do on your phone, it will show up on the screen. And even if you turn it, and you can see how, if I want to raise the volume,
all the way up to 35,000 passes,
and you can hear the volume. So it works very good. There's a slight delay, but other than that, it works fine. If you want to play games on here, you can play games. So depending on the way that the game is played, it will either play it vertical or horizontal. So you can see everything runs very smooth. So I set up my Android Auto here for my phone, and then you can do your GPS. Just make sure that your phone is using the cellular network, and you can play YouTube, and you have all your different apps from your Android Auto. So this upgrades an old stereo system if you want to upgrade your stereo system using this. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 9-inch smart screen. I like how it has the built-in Android Auto and CarPlay. I also like how you're able to use the SuperLink app to mirror your phone onto the screen. So you could do a lot more when you mirror your phone to the screen. You could play games, watch YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, anything is possible. You can even insert the SD card with movies in here and music and play it from the screen itself. The audio sounds very good and setup is very easy.